Hey guys, today's video is going to be an unboxing. I am so excited to unbox the Ecocentric Mom Box. Yay! On their website it says, expect to receive a fun and useful mix of organic and natural and eco lifestyle products including beauty, bath, pregnancy, baby, home, and snack, thoughtfully chosen for you and your little, based on your due date or your child's birth date up to age 4. Each box is guaranteed 4 to 5 products and a minimum of $45 in retail value. The box is $32.99 a month with free shipping to the United States. Okay, let's open this. I'm so excited. So opening it up, it looks like this. There's a little card in here. It says packaged with love for you and your bump. Oh, there's 2 little cards. This is something for pregnancy, something for mama. Okay, so these are 2 of the products that are in there. The first thing in here are black rice crackers by the brand Lakey. Rice, oil, salt, nothing else. 100 calorie snack pack. So that's what those look like. With only 3 ingredients, Lakey, black ice crackers are naturally gluten-free, vegan and allergen friendly, just 100% guilt-free whole grain goodness. Let's try them. These are actually good. You know, I expected them to be like pretty bland, but they actually have flavor to them. Oh my gosh. I really like these. These are like the perfect like mid-afternoon snack. You guys know what I'm talking about if you've been pregnant and you need something. Like these are perfect. I need to look up where to get this brand because these are like perfect, seriously. Let's take this guy out. So this is a lip product. This is by Pure Lano, natural hydrating lip gloss in the color Raspberry Rose. So this is what it looks like. Got someone trying to break down my door. Guys, it's so hard to film. Oh, it's got a light. See the light? It's one of these light up lip glosses. She's trying to break down my door. Oh, let's watch it. Oh, that's pretty. So it definitely shears out, which I like. Oh my gosh. Wow. This smells so good. It smells like cotton candy. Oh my gosh. All right, I guess I can turn the light off. Wow, that smells really good. We're gonna wipe that off before I get that everywhere. We have some Women's Mother-to-Be supports healthy pregnancy. This is caffeine-free herbal supplements by Yogi Tea. I'm not a tea drinker, but you guys can tell that I'm not a tea drinker because I was just reading the back here. It says, bring water to a boil and steep 7 minutes. I thought it said sleep 7 minutes. I'm like, is that safe to do? Sleep while you're boiling water? Okay, yeah, so I'm not a tea drinker, but I'll try this out. I feel like I would need to add something to it because I feel like this is just plain tea. What do people add to tea? Honey? But I will definitely try it. Yes, yes, yes. I don't know what that was. Yes. Okay, next are 2 products from Bug Protector. Dun 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 dun. I feel like that needs its own theme song. Bug Protector, I'm a bug protector. I'm not gonna say I miss my calling in life because I could still do this, but I know I've said in many videos I should have been a ditty writer, like radio ditties. I should have, definitely should have. Okay, so these are from a Bug Protector, and this is a tick repellent and a mosquito repellent. Yes, yes, yes. So I live in New England and I live in the woods, and we actually had our lawn sprayed for ticks. Actually, it's been about 6 weeks now because they actually just called me and said we need to do it again. Now, we had a bunch of ticks. Oh my gosh, I think we found like 7 of them within like 2 weeks, which is 7 too many for me. Only one of them was like the bad one, even though I think actually all bugs are bad in my opinion. Sorry bug lovers out there, but it's one of the reasons why I love the winter time. No bugs. Yeah, especially ticks. Like, I don't know, what is their purpose in life? They're just pointless. Why am I going on a tick rant? I don't know, because they gross me out. But yeah, so we had ticks. Only one of them was like the little tiny one that can cause Lyme disease, even though I know the big ones can cause like a meat allergy or some shit. Like, I don't know, I heard something on the news about that. But this is awesome. Like, both of these are awesome and they're DEET free. But I'm super excited about these. Seriously, oh my gosh. Okay, what is this guy? From, hold on. There is a little card about this guy. This is from Delizioso. Reminds me of delicioso. Is that what Dora says? I think that's what Dora says. This is delicioso. A coupon code for 30% off. So, ooh, that's cool. An all-natural facial serum formulated with emollient oils and fortified with antioxidants that leaves the skin looking more dewy and supple after application, making fine lines and wrinkles less noticeable. Watermelon extract. Ooh, girl, I love watermelon. This is the under eye gel, watermelon and CoQ10 anti-aging. Let me smell. Is it gonna smell like watermelon? Probably not, right? How do you do this? How do you do this? Doesn't smell like watermelon. Ooh, this is like kind of goopy. I'm excited to try this though. Mama needs some under eye care. Yes. Okay, and the last thing in the box is this travel mug, which you guys can't see because my lights are washing it out, but I swear there's a picture of a travel mug right here. See? Told ya. This is by Eccentric Mom, so I guess they make their own stuff. Okay, so it says ditch the disposable cups. Whether you're sipping on pregnancy tea or sneaking in a much needed coffee, this travel mug in the I'm not a paper cup style is the perfect prego accessory for every eco mama. Our mug is biodegradable and top rack dishwasher safe. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is so adorable. It says drinking for two on it. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love it. I will definitely use this. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That's everything that I got in my Eccentric Mom box. I think this is a really cool box. I like the variety that it has. I mean, you got your tea, you know, you got your adorable little cup, you got your beauty products, your lip gloss. We got this stuff that I cannot wait to try. And then these bug repellents, like, I feel like they like got into my mind and they just know the things that I need. And then these crackers, I'm gonna have another one, but I really need to look up where to buy these. I wonder if you can get them at like Trader Joe's or Whole Foods. Wait, store locator, hold on. Oh, Whole Foods, okay. I'm seriously gonna go see what other kinds they have because this is seriously the perfect pregnancy snack. I'm getting way too excited about crackers. All right, so like I said, that is everything that is in my Eccentric Mom box. If you guys are interested in this box, I will have a link down below. That's it, thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video, bye.